Hello, this is Zeba. I am working with VLCC as the area technical head of Andhra Pradesh, and VLCC has been working over the past 10 years towards fighting the problem of obesity. VLCC is not just about slimming. We have beauty services, we have hair services, we have spas, we have institutes, we have products, and this is all about the services that are being offered at VLCC. And in coordination with the medical fraternity, the VLCC has designated 26 November as Anti-Obesity Day, which is celebrated every year across India and in the Middle East. We, as a part of the Anti-Obesity Day campaign, we promote general health in people in terms of improving their dietary habits, physical activities and lifestyle improvement. Okay, and VLCC has been doing this from past 10 years, and every year we keep doing some of the other activities, and this year we have done activities like Joggers Park events and planning different diets, meeting of successful clients, physical activity patterns, doctor meets, and then our most important aspect is launching our book, which is from our own R&D department. Dr. Veena Agarwal has launched the book, that is Genesis of Obesity, which is dealing with recurrence of obesity which is associated with the birth weight of the clients. In that respect, if I have to explain in detail, I can say that whether the low birth weight exists only in low income group or it is also prevalent in middle or high income group, and the prevalence of obesity in the same people once they are grown up. So that is what the book deals all about, and we have taken certain case studies and certain examples from all the centers all over India and reached to the conclusion of compiling this book, which is totally dealing with the genesis of obesity. We majorly deal with passive exercise treatment, which is based on appliances which are again certified completely by a team of doctors that we have with our department, and we have a complete team who works for the treatment, which is including a nutritionist, a doctor, a physiotherapist, a fitness expert and a slimming therapist. The complete team together will be giving the treatment, and we take care of the diet and physical activities also of the client completely in detail, and we plan up packages for weight loss. Because packages are customized based on the client's requirement, so once the client is coming to us, then only we can plan up the packages and tell. As such, here I cannot explain you the details of the packages because we have something called as body composition analysis. The client needs to go through that test first, then we come to know what exactly is the requirement of the client, how much he needs to lose, what is the excess fat percentage and the BMI and everything. Based on all the parameters, we plan a scientific package for the clients. We do have weight gain programs also, then we have gym facilities, we have spas, and apart from this, if you come to beauty services, we have all range of beauty services with us in terms of single sessions and treatments as well for different conditions. In Hyderabad we have 7 branches. Overall in AP, if we count, we have 11 branches. This is Secunderabad branch that we are talking from. Others we have in Banjara Hills, Himayat Nagar, Malakpet, Kondapur, then we have in Kukatpalli and Secunderabad. These are the branches. See, basically these days everybody is becoming health conscious, so basically VLCC is focusing on improving the health and lifestyle of people. It is not just about losing weight, it is how fit you are and how medically fit you are, that is more important. So VLCC is focusing mainly on that. For that we say something as wellness. So we are concentrating upon the wellness of people rather than just people coming and losing weight. So that is what I have to say about it.